Guys, so I'm gonna prank my homie that I'm with the handcuff challenge. We're gonna do this, okay? I'm gonna prank her and let's see what happens, you know? I'm just gonna put this on her wrist. So we're supposed to work out too, so let's see what happens. Alright guys, so she just went inside her bank or whatever. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm gonna take these out. I never been handcuffed to anyone. I wasn't planning on ever being handcuffed to anyone, or cuffed, as we say it, to anyone. So this is gonna be a challenge, I guess, a real big one for me. You know, how do you do this? I just hope that these are not as cheap that they freaking break. So I'm opening them up as we speak. Fuck. Guys, excuse my language, guys. Hold on, guys. Hold on. I think. Okay, these guys, these are not freaking opening. Look at, oh, right here. I guess this is it. Guys, hold on. What the fuck, bro? Okay, that's a no. Okay, there we go. Alright guys. So once she comes back, these will be on her wrist. And like I said, guys, we're supposed to work out today, so these are gonna like come in handy to working out. I don't know how everything is gonna go. It's really nice outside. I'm in Long Island, by the way. I also don't know how long she's gonna take in the bank, so that's another thing. So hopefully, fingers crossed, she hurries up so I can get this prank going. I don't know where I'm gonna put these at yet, because I don't know. I just don't want her to find them, so I'm gonna have to put them somewhere where like I can't even find them. Well, no, not like wow. Okay, whatever, guys. I don't know what I'm saying, but point blank is I'm going to hide these somewhere where she's not gonna be able to get them out of me and find them or whatever. Okay guys, but that's about it. As soon as she comes out, we're gonna get this prank going, and I'm gonna record as soon as she gets out so you guys can see. Bye guys. Yep.
I want to like serve myself a plate of fruit and maybe eat it with yogurt or not, because I'm gonna get too full. But are you hungry? Do you want me to make you something?
Huh?
I'm not really hungry.
No, me neither, bro.
You sure?
No, I'm not really hungry. Guys, I forgot to record it. I'm sorry.
What did you do?
I just handcuffed her to me.
Where did you get this from?
Sorry. Okay.
But how are we gonna get out of the car?
Oh.
You get out that way. I have to get out this way.
I didn't think about it.
Oh my god.
Ow! Fuck!
Then
No.
I have to drive.
Okay, it's alright. Ah.
You're ridiculous. You should do this in bed.
She didn't mean that, guys. She didn't. But yeah, so I guess we're doing the handcuff challenge. See what happens.
What do you mean? Well, we're gonna be handcuffed the whole day?
Yeah.
No, we're not.
We have to be handcuffed.
No, we're not.
I'm sorry.
What if I go to the bathroom for like booby? Are you gonna be with me?
Alright guys, well, we'll get back to you as soon as we do something, okay? Yeah, so we're handcuffed. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I guess I'll get out from this one.
Oh. Wait, so do I get out of here first?
Yeah, you get,
What do you mean, Well, you should have thought about this. Do you need your headphones?
oh yeah, guys, hold on.
Fuck.
Okay, and I need my,
Okay, let me hold this.
thanks.
Okay.
Fuck. Oh, wait, hold on.
Okay, wait. Let me grab on the computer. Hey, my rose. Okay, give it to me. Oh, Jesus, this is so uncomfortable. Alright, I got it. Give me the computer. Okay.
Okay. Alright, go. Hey!
Wait, let me lock it. You have the keys. Do you have the keys?
No, you have the keys.
I don't have the keys.
Yeah, you have the keys.
No, I don't. Who has the keys?
Oh,
Right there.
guys, the keys are literally over there.
Okay, let's turn
Oh my
around.
god. Alright, hold on. I feel like my hat's gonna fly off. Okay. Alright, get the keys. We got this.
Okay. Okay. Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Ah.
Sorry. Alright.
You sure?
Yeah, I got it.
I forgot. I'm sorry.
Yeah, just drag me down.
I mean,
Okay.
I'm used to having my right hand for everything, so you took my hands for now. Let me close it. Jesus.
Okay. Okay. Alright, guys.
Wait, how are we gonna have sex? I mean, sorry.
Pineapple. I mean, guys, she didn't mean
Pineapple.
that. I'm sorry.
How are we gonna have pineapple?
For any young viewers, she meant pineapple. We just gonna have some.
We can still?
Yeah.
Let's see.
God.
Look at Max.
Oh, look at Max. He's so cute. So she's gonna cut pineapple. Well, at least try to with me.
Maybe this is not it. I need the bigger one.
Holy shit, it's a big one.
I like to put it.
It's getting real, guys. It's getting real. Ooh. Pineapple.
I don't think it's ready. Do you think it's ready? I think it is. Probably not. Maybe a little bit
No,
more.
I think it is a little bit more.
It needs more?
A little bit.
Okay, so where is it that I saw it that like have to put it like that in like paper or something like that? Let me see. How to ripe a pineapple faster? No, I think I'm just gonna cut it.
Yeah, just cut it, babe. Just cut it. Damn. Guys, I'm afraid. Like, my hand's like right here. Like,
Careful.
at any moment.
Don't put your fingers out.
Guys, at any moment.
Stop it.
I could look like this pineapple. At any moment. Like this.
Why would you put it in my right hand? Like, I'm righty.
Because
I'm gonna use my hand for everything. Of course, you wanted to put it on your left hand, right? You didn't think of me.
No, I did. I thought more of me.
Exactly.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Guys, you never,
Careful with your hand.
you
Please
never
don't put your
trust
fingers
a
out.
girl with a knife. I mean,
What?
You never know. You never know what they're able to do.
Oh, pineapple. I love
See,
pineapple.
you guys could do stuff with handcuffs. You're not handicapped.
Yeah, we can just go to the bathroom together. You're gonna have to. I don't know what you're gonna do.
Well, I have to go to the bathroom actually.
You could do? No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you
I mean,
don't.
guys, I've been drinking this Red Bull. Yeah, I know it's bad for me. So, whatever. Yay, it looks perfect. Oh my god. Guys, she can't really eat pineapple, but she eats it like
It's good. I mean,
it's her last thing she's ever gonna eat.
I like it. It's not my fault I'm allergic.
So she likes it a
I'm
lot.
not allergic. It just hurts a little bit.
See, guys? That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, guys, so as you can see, pineapple done. Yes.
It was a success. Kinda.
Oh yeah.
Can you pass me one? A bowl? Oh, forgot you can't.
What?
A container-ish.
Okay.
It's not there.
Got it.
It's Ow! A water. Ow! Sorry. Why don't I need another one?
What the fuck? How many?
Because it's on a pineapple. How about the red one? That one, yes. Thank you, honey.
Yes.
I forgot.
God. Yeah, so guys, you see? Yeah, we just cutting pineapple right now, so as soon as we do something else, I'll let you guys know. I don't want to do this anymore.
Let me download the remote so we don't have to get up.
No, it's fine. I'll get it. I'll get the remote.
How?
Guys, I got it.
Yay!
Fucking got it. Yes.
Oh my god, this pineapple is so good. What do you want to do? What do you want to watch?
Whatever you want to watch, baby.
Are you comfortable? Do you want me to
this
move a little bit
feels
more?
good. No, it feels good.
Yeah?
Guys, this is how I'm laying down right now. 'Cause it feels this good. Like, you find yourself a booty to lay down on. And let me know how it feels. So yeah, right now she just made herself a bowl of fruits, and then we're still handcuffed. But I'm kind of like, guys, this hurts. I mean, I know people do videos on this, but this is a real challenge for real. Like I've never been handcuffed before.
Oh yeah, right.
Anyways, guys. So yeah, we're gonna watch something, and then if we go out, we do anything else, I'll let you guys know.